So guys, that's the Altis. That's the new color lineup. It's called Cement Gray. Kulit, no? Cement Gray. So, actually right now, lahat ng Altis is hybrid. So, wala nang full engine na Altis, okay? Marami pa rin talaga naghahanap nito. Pero ang case is, bihira. Medyo konti ang arrival niya sa Philippines eh. Marami akong bibigay na tip sa inyo dahil sobrang konti lang ng arrival nito sa Pinas. And ayoko ma-disappoint kayo. So, just in case walang arrival sa Philippines, marami akong bibigay na strategy para hindi kayo ma-bluff ng ibang ahente. So, very effective yan. Marami na akong client na nabigyan ng tip niyan. Yeah. So, just in case wala namang Altis, meron tayong Corolla Cross, guys. Okay? So, yan ha. Merong Corolla Cross doon na mid-variant. Okay na okay din siya. And what's best for Corolla Cross is the higher ground clearance. Huwag natin patagalin to. Tara, pasukin natin yung Altis. So, wait. So, before we begin, nabulol na. Meron kaming trade-in dito. Okay? So, just in case meron kang lumang sasakyan, pwede mo i-trade in dito. Gamitin mo pang down payment. And just in case meron ka ng financing approval, pwede mo i-transfer dito. Okay, tara, pasukan natin Altis. So, yeah. And that's the Altis, guys. Color is, again, cement gray. Ikutan lang natin. And Altis, guys, sinasabi ko na heads up ko ng paulit-ulit. Hindi lagi may supply nito. And by the way, ang lahat ng Altis natin is hybrid. Okay? Wala na tayong full gas engine. So all the variants are hybrid. And what's best about this Altis is, actually yung iba nabababaan sa ground clearance, pero actually advantage yan. Bakit? Dahil mas makapit siya sa kalsada. Okay? Alam niyo yung mga mabababang ground clearance na design yan dahil mas kapit yan sa kalsada, especially during high speed. Okay? Yan. Nice. And just in case walang supply nito, dahil bihira ang supply nito, guys, inuulit ko lang na meron tayong alternative. The Corolla Cross. Same engine. 1.8 engine. Tara. Let's go inside. Lakas lang ng tirik ng araw, guys, kasi it's 4 p.m. So, meron tayong integrated signal light. Right? The hybrid badge. Look at that mags, man. Yan. Anong size nito? It's 17. It's actually two-tone. It's two-tone, ha? Okay, anong tires ang nakabit dito? Sport Max. Yun ang name ng tire. Right? So, the door handle is chrome design. Okay, meron, even though this is the base variant, meron siyang smart entry, ha? So, ito, meron siyang sensor. Okay. And yan ang design ng door panel niya. Okay. I hope nakikita nyo against the light to. It's 4 o'clock. But, yan. So, ang design ng adjustment ng side mirror natin is this joystick. And meron tayong auto fold. Of course. Altis to, guys, eh. Then, central lock. Control ng 4 na bintana. Okay. Merong silver accent dito. Silver design, door function. Meron tayong isang cup holder na extended. Okay? 1 speaker. Nice. So, hard plastic. Ito parang coated siya ng leather. Rough leather. Okay? Rinig naman yung sounds. Then ito, soft leather to. Okay? Then, guys, ito, malupit dito. Kahit base variant to, automatic na yung seat adjustment niya. Okay? Nice. Ganda. So, ito yung pang move forward and back. Ito yung sandalan. Ito naman yung mid. sa sandalan. Okay? Then, ito yung pang-open ng compartment. Ito yung pang-open ng gas. Okay? Ito yung pang-open ng hood. Kita nyo? Then, meron tayong pang-level ng ilaw. Actually, ilaw mo, pwede mo siya itutok sa baba or paangat. Then, meron tayong auto high beam. Itong auto high beam na to is bubukas mag-isa tong ilaw mo. Kapag dumaan ka ng tunnel, kapag madilim, iseset mo lang to into auto. Right? So, dito meron tayong cursor. Alright? To adjust the settings there sa multi-information display. Okay? Diyan mo yan gagamitin para pang navigate dan. Then, ito yung pang back button. Right? Ito yung pang answer call natin. Ito yung volume control, voice command. Right? Nice. Then, lane departure monitoring. Ganda. Nag-a-alarm siya pag nawawala ka sa lane. Yan. Then, meron tayong cruise control. Right? Then, meron tayong mode, a shortcut. Pag pinipindot mo to, magsa-cycle ka between AM, FM, Bluetooth. Then, skip button para sa music. Right? Same functions dito. Yan, sa mga controls natin dito sa likod, wipers, right, signal light. Right? Then, push start button tayo. Kita nyo? Yan. So, ito, para ma-visualize nyo lang, ito yung kamay ko. Okay? Malapad din malapad yung infotainment niya. Aircon vent, hazard mode. So, auto max, temperature control, okay, off. Front and rear defogger. So, ito yung control ng channel kung saan mag-aano yung hangin ng aircon. Circulation, heat or cool. Then, meron tayo off dito para sa aircon vent sa likod. Then, thermostat. Okay? So, ito ulit yung thermostat. Ito yung blower control. Okay? Ito, ang texture is hard leather siya. Rough leather, sorry. Okay? Ito is rough leather din, no? Coated siya with leather. Right? Nice. Then, yan yung glove compartment natin. Hopefully, nakikita nyo. So, same design tong driver's side. Right? Then, ito naman yung ating shift knob. Nice. So, sa shift knob is meron tong park, reverse, neutral, drive mode, and brake mode. The brake mode is para sa low gear. Okay? So, meron tayong handbrake. Ito yung handbrake natin. Button type na siya, electronic. Then, merong auto hold. Yan. Auto hold, tawagan nyo ako. Ang dali lang ipaliwanag niyan para ka naka-auto handbrake pag dumadaan ka ng stoplight. Ganda niyan. So, meron tayong EV mode dahil pwede mag-full electric. Kita nyo, yan. Wala sa focus tong camera natin. So, full electric, traction, then meron kang power mode and eco mode dito. Ito yung drive mode mo. So, dalawang cup holder, meron tayong center pocket. Itong center pocket natin, meron power supply, guys. Meron siyang Type-C, tsaka yung classic na bilog na power supply. Yung pang lighter, previously, ganyan kasi yung supply, dati. Pwede kang lighter dyan. So, headliner is nice. Meron tayong salamin. Ganda. Then, ito yung front cabin light natin. Okay, push button. Then, ito naman is yan. Okay. May salamin din. And, hindi lahat ng Toyota units may handle sa driver side, Ito yan, magulat kayo. Yan. Actually, minsan kasi maganda rin na walang handle dito, Kasi, matitempt ka, Instead na nakafocus tong dalawang kamay mo sa steering wheel, natitempt ka humawak tuloy dito. Pero yan, nandiyan na yan. And yan yung rear view mirror natin. So, meron siyang electro. Ito yung manual para hindi ka masilaw. Right? And ang seat design natin is leather. Okay? Altis G. This one is Altis G. Ganda. Yan, white stitching. Okay? Then, full leather. Ganda. Nice. So that's the first row. And papunta na tayo sa second row. So meron tayong isang cup holder, medyo nakatago lang, isang speaker, hawakan, soft leather, rough leather, okay? Hard leather under. Nice. So meron tong second row aircon vent, guys. Yan I hope nakita nyo, madilim lang. Grabe, it's 4 o'clock, ang init. So ito, yan. Meron tayong dalawang type C power supply under. Okay? So hopefully makita nyo ito. Sinarado ko pa nga. Then may lagayan tayo ng files dito. Okay? Then same design dito sa kabilang side. Then meron tayong cabin light. Meron siyang off function, then door function. Okay? So ayan, may sabitan dito na isa pang sabitan ng polo natin. Okay? Then meron tayong tatlong headrest. 1, 2, 3. Then meron ba itong retractable armrest? Meron nga. Nice. Retractable armrest. Full leather, guys. Okay? Guys, inuulit ko lang sobrang bihira magkaroon nito. Meron akong ibibigay sa inyong tip para hindi kayo mabluff. Dahil ang dami na babluff nito, guys, aminin ko sa inyo. Nagre-reserve 50,000, 100,000. Tapos ending is sobrang tagal na wala pa ring unit. Okay? Meron tong dalawang backing sensor. Okay? Right? So ito, meron siyang blue emblem na Toyota. Altis. Of course, ito yung maganda lagi sa Altis Very spacious yung compartment natin. Solid. Right? Yan. And pag inangat natin to, nandito yung mga tools. Okay, jack, tools. And guys, ang spare tire natin is donut. Ayan. Kita nyo? It's donut. It's way enough para makapunta tayo sa vulcanizing. Okay? Para mapaayos natin yung tires natin, yung gulong natin na lumambot or kung ano man nangyari. Diba? So, meron tayong backing camera. Of course, being the Altis. Di mawawala yan. Chrome design running across. Hybrid badge. Then, rear bumper reflectors. Okay? Same yan both sides. Nice. This is super nice. Okay. May pagkatito yung dating nito Young executive, young professionals. So, look at the bumper. Yan. Mesh type siya. Okay? So, dito sa Altis, nandito pa rin yung blue, yung emblem niya. So, guys, laminated siya. Yan. Makapal na laminate siya. Silver accent across. Right? So, gusto nyo makita yung lolo nito? Andito lang sa likod ko, yung Camry. So, meron akong separate vlog for this Camry. Right? Visit my TikTok and YouTube. Right? Meron akong vlog for this inside and out. So, enough of this Camry. Dahil ang topic naman natin is the Altis. So, yeah. Inuulit ko lang, this is the new color lineup. Cement gray. Okay, medyo nauuso ngayon yung mga pastel colors Yan. So, pwede cash, PO, financing, high down. Gusto nyo mas mababa yung monthly, taasan nyo yung down nyo. Right? Yeah. So, ito yung itsura ng fog lights nyo. Kita nyo? Wow. Nice. So guys, I have to apologize. Minsan talaga walang arrival nito. Okay? nangyayari, merong months walang dumadating nito. So, meron tayo alternative always, the Corolla Cross. Yan. Stop recording. Bago tayo mag-end, meron kaming trade-in again. Inuulit ko lang, trade-in. Transfer your approval just in case meron kang financing approval. Okay? So, hi again. Kakamustahin ko lang ulit yung mga bashers natin dyan. Yung mga galit sa boses ko. So, yeah. That's it. That's the Altis. Yeah. Call me anytime. Bye.